Hello, it's another great day at the Solomon Trading Institute. I want to encourage you to go to our website, www.moneymarketedge.com, and book a call and see what we can do together. I just believe when we had a conversation, I just believe that this is a day and time where you and I can work together and we have a great chance and great opportunity to help one another and to be mutually beneficial to one another. So moneymarketedge.com. And what I would love for you to do is just go ahead and book a call there. If you have any questions, we have a myriad of of opportunities for you to gain information. We have all of the social media platforms that you can also look at as well. So we'd love to have that opportunity. Hey, listen, I need you to pause this video and read this because this government disclaimer is both real and it is relevant. It is important that you understand that there is a risk when it deals with money markets. However, if you know the risk, you can also know the reward. You can also mitigate risk, and that's what we do. It's almost impossible to live life without risk because when you drive a car, there's a risk of an accident when you fly. In an airplane, there's a risk of it not getting you to the destination safe and sound. There's a risk walking across the street. Do you see where I'm going with that? So although risk is real and it is relevant, we manage risk all of the time. And the market is no different. You can manage risk. We want to give you an education, one that you can actually bank on. And so most educations take you to the bank so that you can pay the institution. But our education is going to allow you to really see some benefits to receiving this education. Now, it's important for you to understand that also that wealth is a choice. Now, in the markets, there's a lot of money. So if you take the major markets here and you have here the New York Stock Exchange, the equities market, the futures market, and then the Forex market, if you take these markets, you're talking about a lot of money. In the Forex market alone, there's trillions of dollars. Now, I don't like the Forex market personally because there's no centralized governing body or agency. And oftentimes you have to deal with offshore brokers who are not regulated by the United States. And so I don't like that. I don't like the equities market per se, because I don't like the buying and the holding, right? But I like to be able to enter into the market and to make money today. And if I want to get it tomorrow, I can do just that. And so there are a lot of things that you can invest in. They even have cryptocurrency, things of that nature. But this is what we like the future. Also, I like the futures market because there's no opportunity to pump and dump. There's not a lot of manipulation involved in the market outside of the regular manipulation that takes place within the price action. So we can deal with that kind of manipulation, but outside manipulation, I don't like that because you cannot control that. And so that's the reason we love the futures market. Hey, listen, we have a daily room that you can enter into and you can talk to people while they're trading. Now, the way we teach you to be profitable. We teach you to be patient. We teach you how to extract money out the market. But our main thing that we want to teach you is to be independent, where you don't need a person telling you what to do. And that is the way our education is set up. So the room is actually for seniors who are actually doing their senior project, meaning they're actually training live for 20 days. And when they do that, then they get the certificate from us for the completion of the program. However, we do have coaches who are in there from our VIP group, our coaches group, and they're in there talking back and forth and can help answer questions as well as I facilitated on days that I'm available to do so. So we really love the opportunity for you to be a part of what we do. And one of the reasons that this is so critical is because you're never left alone when it comes to us. So as you go through our program, from orientation, learning actually how to use the drawing tools and annotations and things of that nature, all the way from there, all the way to live training, through the freshman class where you're learning the software, through the sophomore class where you're learning the trade centers, through the junior class where you're learning how to manage trades, and all the way to the senior class where you're actually finishing the program. We actually carry you through step by step, and it's hands-on every step of the way, even when you get to live training, if that's something that you want to do. So it's important for you to understand what we do and how we do it. We do not play the radio with this market. We kill it every single day. And I think that's important for you to understand. So here's the wrap up, and here's the week in review. On Monday, June the 5th, based on our trade setups and based on the way we teach, there was $450 per contract potential on that day. Now, we take trades that we call aggressive and then conservative. So even those who take more aggressive positions made even more than that. Now, so I'm just giving you the conservative, like the bare bones minimum, the least risk. You cannot eliminate risk, but you can get to the least amount of risk. And that's what I'm talking about when I talk about the potential based on our trades, based on our strategy, based on our setup, based on our rules. It's a checkbox rules system. You check the box, you move on. So that's important for you to recognize and understand. So on that particular day, here's what our charts actually look like. And you will learn within our program why was this spot the spot? Why not this spot? Why not this spot? Why was it this spot? Well, that's what the education will teach you, and you'll learn those things as well. So it's important for you to recognize and understand what we do. So the next opportunity was here. Okay, so here, and this was $270 per contract potential, and this was the spot. Why not this spot or this spot? Well, that's what the education is designed to teach you and to help you understand. So that's on that day. So on Tuesday, June the 6th, $160 per contract potential, and here was that trade. Here was the spot on that particular day to take a trade going in the short direction. So it's important for you to understand that what we do can be measured, and that's what I love about our program. It's not like, oh, okay, well, trading is hard, and sometimes you win, and sometimes no. There's rules. There is a way that you do this, and you can measure your success. So on that particular day, $275 right here, as you can see. Right here, this was the spot going short. And I love that. As you notice, on Monday and Tuesday, the money was made in this direction. On Wednesday and now Thursday, the money was made here. So that means we make money when the market's going up. We make money when it's going down. We actually make money when it's going sideways, because last week, 3 of the 5 days, the market wasn't going up or down. It was going what? Sideways. So that's real important for you to understand that this is one of the best decisions that you can make, and those who are a part of our middle of you, this is the best decision that you could have made. And those of you who are thinking about it, contemplating, this is the best decision that you can make in this day and time. All right, so on Thursday, that's $540 on that day. Here's what we're looking at here. All right, so the market went up there. So it's important for you to understand what we do, how we do, and we would love for you to be a part of what we do. That's what I hear on Friday. I made a mistake and said Monday and Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday down, but you get the gist. We make money when it's going up and going down. I just caught that. All right, so here on Thursday, here is the actual chart right there, $260 going this direction. This was the spot. And guess what? That was the last trade spot. And so there were 2 trades almost in the same spot. And here is a prime example of what I'm talking about. Look at this. This market topped out here and it bottomed out here and right here. And this is what I'm saying. In this spot, we made money. In this spot, we made money, and the market was going what? Sideways. It wasn't even going up or down. That is what our system allows you to do. So it's really important. Okay, and today, June the 9th, 2023, today isn't even over yet, but just taking the morning session into account, 515 bucks per contract potential there at that particular time. So now here are the charts. So look, here's another sideways type action. So we're able to make money as the market was going sideways. It wasn't even going up or down at that particular time. Here's the next opportunity here on this particular day. And this is actually today. These are archives. So if you're looking at this 2 years from now, 3 years from now, it's 2023 now, but this happens every day. Like this is what goes on every day. So let's look at our grand total for this week. On Monday, June the 5th, through June the 9th, 2023, there was 1,940 bucks per contract potential. Somebody said that's not a lot of money. That's only about $7,000 for the month. But check this out. What you have to also take into consideration is the fact that everybody is not trading the same amount. So if you would trade 4 contracts, your number would look different. If you were trading 8 contracts, your number would look different. If you were trading 6 contracts, your number would look different. If you were trading 2, you understand what I'm sharing with you? So you take that number 1940 and multiply it by the number of contracts. Well, how do I move from 1 contract to 10? Well, it's 2 things. It's your capital and it's your confidence. Let me say that again. It's your capital. Well, it's 3. It's 3 C's. It's your competence. That means you've learned and you've gone through the program. It's your capital. And it's your confidence. So your competence will lead to confidence, which will lead to capital growth. And after you get it, it's almost like riding a bike. I hadn't ridden a bike in 20 years probably, but if I get on one right now, after the 2nd or 3rd pedal, I'm on. It's over. Why? Because that's something that you don't have to relearn. That's what trading is. Once you learn our system and how we do things, it'll be something that you won't have to try to, quote unquote, relearn again. So it's really critical, really important that you understand, that you recognize that, again, wealth is a choice. It's not something that everybody chooses to do. But if it is something that you choose to do, we would love to be with you and help you. We pledge to be a complete solution for you. Many educational programs and software developers that drip the information to you little by little so they can keep charging you every month. We charge you one time and that's that. And so this is what we do, and this is what we teach you to do, and this is how we help you. Why don't you go to our website? This is actually what it looks like, Solomon Trading Institute. You can get information from there and look around, kick the tires. You can book a call so that you can have a conversation with me or one of the persons on staff. You can schedule an installation once you book the call and you become a part of what we do. Here's our educational portal that you can go to once you're a part of what we're doing, and much more. So you go to www.moneymarketedge.com. Money Market Edge is a software company that I produce the software through. And then Solomon Trading Institute is the educational arm in which we teach you what to do with the software that I developed. I love to have opportunity to share with you the things that the Lord has allowed me to learn, and it can help you as well. So you can join us every day, and you can make sure we promise you something. We'll give you a strategy that works. We'll support you as it's working, and then your success will take care of itself. So we'd love to have an opportunity to meet with you, talk with you, share with you how we do what we do. So how do we do it? Number one, we take you through phase 1, where you're learning the software. We take you then through phase 2, where we're educating you on the market. Then we take you to phase 3, where we watch you apply the education. And then phase 4, you're off and running and you're doing your thing, just like everyone else. And that's a part of what we're doing right now. So now check this out. You can join this growing number of consistent, profitable, and independent retail day traders who've developed as a result of utilizing our software in our system. So one of the things that we're big on and we pride ourselves on is trying to make sure that you are put in a position where you can leave a legacy, because that's what it's all about. That's what it's about. It's about helping you build a legacy so that you can pass down wealth from generation to generation. That's what it's all about. Our mission is to develop consistent, confident, profitable, and independent retail day traders. That's what we do. We teach traders who are seeking hands-on instruction. We have daily instruction every single day, Monday through Friday, and then 2 nights of the week on the weekends. And then the instructors will even meet with you one-on-one when it's necessary. So this is what we do. We're committed to helping you get to where you want to get and build a solid object in your financial future. Here's a book that I wrote. One of the books that I wrote is called Money Market Autopsy. It's just a glorified a small way of me explaining what we do. I call it the glorified cliff notes of a book, basically, just kind of just breaking it down, what we do, how we do, what is behind the machine itself. So listen, if you don't mind, go to moneymarketedge.com. You can also text the word profits to 94253 for more information. And you can go to our website and just kind of kick the tires. Hey, listen, my name is Cornelius Wilson III on behalf of all of our instructors, David Posner, Lamar Akels, Dennis Williams, Tariq Wheatley, Russell Brownfield, and all of our coaches who help me help you. We would love for you to be a part of what we're doing. Over here, winning is just a lifestyle. Trading is a lifestyle. Winning is a lifestyle. All we do is win. We're about that. We kill the market every day. This is what we do. We love to help you if you want to be helped. God bless you. Have a wonderful day. And always remember, it is the will of God that you be blessed. Have a great day. Great weekend.